Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear parents, today we'll talk about the first and most important step in Islamic parenting, and that is to fill our children's hearts with the love of Allah. The very first lesson a child learns comes from the home. If we as parents constantly remind them that every blessing is from Allah, they will grow up loving and remembering Him naturally. For example, a father says, "My son, who made these beautiful flowers?" The child smiles and replies, "Allah made them." That simple question plants the seed of faith and love in his heart. A mother offers water and asks, "Who gave us this water?" The child says, "Allah did." Then the mother says, "So let's say Alhamdulillah." These small moments create a deep connection with Allah. Islamic parenting is not only about advice, it's about being the example. When children see you remembering Allah with love and gratitude, they will naturally follow your footsteps. May Allah help us all to raise our children with hearts full of love, gratitude, and faith. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
For more educational videos and stories, subscribe our channel and follow the Facebook page.